Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove Invideo watermark. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have just exported my video from Invideo and I'm going to show you how we can remove the watermark. If we want to remove watermark, we can go to our browser and then we can search for watermark remover, and there will be some websites we can use to remove watermark from our video, but I recommend you to select this website because this website is free and you don't need to log into this website to use it. Okay, let's visit this website and here you can upload your file. I'm going to upload the video. Okay, this is the video I want to remove watermark from, and then we can select the watermark area like this. I'm going to move it right here and we can keep adjusting like this guys. Okay, now it's done and you can click on apply. Okay, and now as you can see that the watermark has been removed, and if you want to export it you can click on save and select the format and the resolution. I'm just going to choose this resolution and click on export and wait until 100%, and after that you're going to click on save. Okay, and then you just need to click on save to save the video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove Invideo watermark. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.